camping in Dorset Pool near Bournemouth at the southernmost tip of England, and it's a beautiful day. And we're in an exclusive field which is part of the caravan and camping club, which I've got a sticker for somewhere. Now we're fully vented now. What's this beach called?
This beach is called Branscombe Beach.
Sitting by the window and I'm watching the rain. Still sitting by the window, only got myself to blame. Short words and harmony lines, the finished chorus comes to mind. It's a puzzle of some kind.
Here we are at the Avon Causeway. Great pub and some good food. An interesting carriage here. Beautiful area. Meanwhile, in England, Kira's fell asleep. I don't think them church bells are for the Americans. Well, it might be. There's definitely a church over there. You join us playing a game of Scrabble. I'm winning, by the way. Unfortunately, my spelling isn't the best, but I always win at Scrabble. And outside we have an incident occurring because we've got the dogs with us, and they brought a bunch of children into the play area. What happened?
She was worried about them growling and lunging at the children.
They're not going to do that, are they?
I said they were not used to kids. She goes, well, they got a dog that just barks. I said, well, my dogs aren't used to dogs. I said, we'll do a compromise here. They're just barking because the kids are running near them. I said, I'll put them in, but if you keep your kids not so near them. Yes, that's what she said. They've got a dog and she just barks, but your dog's growled and lunged. I said, well, they're friendly. I said, they're not used to kids running near them.
The way she came up to you was like, oh, they just get excited, do they?
So Lauren wants to add a little bit more to the saga of the snooty people over there. Tell me, Lauren, can't see you at all.
Oh. I'm here anyway.
Listen, you have to believe me that she's there. It's all blank. Tell me, Lauren, come on.
So we've just walked past to go to the toilet, and the dog barked on the way past, and then on the way back the dog barked and then started growling at us. So
allegedly lunged at their frigging giant balloons that was waving in their faces.
No, it doesn't want to see that.
it doesn't matter, does
There
it?
isn't a light to put on.
Oh yeah, I've taken it for the tent. I was
That's okay, don't
I was just packing my bag for the morning.
Oh dear.
Sometimes when the trees are still, the sun is sailing over the hill. It's afternoon and the shadow of me comes creeping over the grass to see. So goodbye, everyone. The day is done.